Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to increase Shopify sales with urgency and scarcity. Really popular strategy. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it, how to increase sales, how to increase your conversion rate, and how to make more money on Shopify. This is exactly how to do it the right way. And creating a sense of urgency can significantly boost sales on your Shopify store. The same can be said for increasing product scarcity, right? Basically making people want to buy now, want to worry about stock levels and thinking now is the right time to purchase. If I want this product, I better buy it now because there's urgency, there's scarcity. Now's the time to buy it. It might not be available later. And a really popular strategy is to use today's project Urgency Stock Shopify app to show product stock levels, product views, recent purchases, and more. You're going to see it all over the shoulder. We'll go step by step. If you want to implement this strategy, you're going to have to use an app. There's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. I'm going to show you the exact app that I use, and the app must be super easy to use. You don't need to be any type of coder or technological expert. You don't need to be a programmer or designer or anything like that to be able to use this. And really, most importantly, the app must allow for fully customizable urgency and scarcity tools like stock levels, product views, recent purchases, all these cool features that help drive conversion rate, drive sales by boosting urgency and scarcity. This is the entire strategy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Now, a case study in terms of how this works, and this is working really well right now. Shopify Store implemented this exact strategy. On the product page, displayed low stock alerts, right? Also on the store, showed recent purchase notifications. The idea here is that this store created a sense of urgency among shoppers. And this approach led to a 33% increase in conversions, right? This is a significant uplift by implementing this strategy. And this app that I'm going to show you is featured on accentuate.io. Really a lot of great press around this, a lot of great responses around this. And the app is Urgency Stock. Highly, highly recommended. You see the link for Urgency Stock directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder, and I'm going to show you exactly how powerful this is. And you see it over here in the Shopify App Store, a massive 4.9 out of 5 stars over here. There's a free trial available for you as well. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how this is going to drive demand by showing product views, stock visibility, recent purchases widgets, unlimited notifications, 24/7 support, and most importantly, fully customizable for your store. And it's really, really easy. All you need to do is press the install button over here. I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do this in my store. You could follow along. Again, you see the link directly below this video for today's project Urgency Stock. This Shopify app is going to allow you to implement this strategy. Again, all you need to do, press the install button. When you do, it's going to bring you back over into your Shopify store, where we're simply going to go ahead and press install again. This is going to grant permission for the app to install on our store. No code, no needing to work with a developer or anything like this. We're then going to go ahead and get our 7-day free trial. So we'll go ahead and approve our 7-day free trial. And this is now going to bring us into the dashboard of our app. And it's really, really easy to set up. You could actually get free installation help. If you go and click request help, you could reach out to their support. But I'm going to walk you through exactly how easy this is and how you can get it set up ASAP. If you click this button, you'll see all of the different help topics over here. Really cool about how to install, and it's basically just installed. So all we need to do is configure it, right? No installation is needed. Once you install the app, everything starts working. We just need to configure our settings. So if you ever wanted to disable it, we can come over here and uncheck the Urgency Stock Enabled button, or if we're of course going to keep that checked. So now we have different types of configuration. So for example, the shopper counter. And this is going to be literally on our site. It's going to say blank, it's going to be a number. Say 2 shoppers are looking at this, or 1 shopper is looking at this, and you could change this. So instead of shoppers looking at this or shoppers looking at this, you could put, how about is thinking about buying. Okay, so we could change this, and I'll put this over here. Okay, so you could do this over here. You have different options in terms of how many to show before the widget and how many in terms of what hour timeline, and obviously the bigger timeline, the bigger the number. So all this uses real information, by the way. If you take a look at the knowledge base, it doesn't use fake inventory or fake counters. That's not possible with Shopify anymore. So, that is something that all the data in here is real. you can configure it as much as you want. So if you want a bigger number, you could do a bigger time frame over here. And I'm actually going to show you, I'll show you this in steps. So I'll go over and show you the site over here, and we'll go into a product page. And you're going to see, because I installed this, and you see right over here, thinking about buying, right? This is the exact thing that we clicked on or that we configured in our setting. In this case, it's singular. Shopper is thinking about buying. And anything I change here, of course, is going to be shown right here. And again, the really cool part, like I showed you, is I didn't have to set anything up other than just install the app and start configuring the options. So we'll do our stock remaining, and you see we can come over and click on this. Show stock remaining. And this is again going to be plural or singular, different types of quantity text over here, and you see the variable quantity grabbing the actual quantity of the product. And on product pages, your visitors are only going to see this if the stock is less than 10, right? Or we could change this if the stock is less than 5 or 100, right? So we can put in 10 there. A lot of times with print-on-demand products, you may not have inventory counted, so this wouldn't exactly work in that case. Any other product that you have with inventory counted in the product section is going to work over here. So we could save this. We have the widget as well. So if you see the widget, and we'll go below the add to cart or custom, right? This is going to be exactly where we show, in this case, the eyeball, right, in this area. And we can customize it below add to cart, or we can do custom over here, which would be all we need to do is just add that code into our actual page here. But we're going to go below the cart. We could change to different icons here as well. So we want to do exclamation, right? We can do something like that. Come back over here, reload the page. You see the new icon pops up over here. So really cool in terms of having that set up. Last purchase. Okay, I really like this. Last purchase is going to show on the product page the last time that this product was actually purchased. And, we could say last purchased on, or we could say, just for the sake of changing it, just put last bought on. And I'll put 14 days over here, and we'll save that. So we could have our last purchase widget set up. There's also advanced settings over here. You could do different variant selectors, more about kind of code and things like that, advanced CSS if you need to do that. And then your styling. Okay, we can come over here and we have the default over here. We have different colors over here. We could even create a custom styling to match your theme. I have a red and blue theme on my store, so I'm going to go with this red over here. Maybe you have a green theme or a black and white theme, right? You have all these different options. You have the custom option as well. Always make sure that you're going to save your changes over here, and that's going to allow you to now have this fully configured. And remember, there's no other install needed. It's just about configuring this and having the app set up. So let me go ahead and show you live on the site. So I'm over here on my live site. I'll just reload this real quick. We can take a look at different products, and I'm going to show you just a basic example first. So we have our print-on-demand product, right? No inventory being tracked here, so it's just going to show our shopper is thinking about buying here. And of course, this number is going to get bigger. We set 48 hours as the timeline from once we installed this app. So we're going to be able to have 48 hours worth of traffic and stuff. So this number will get bigger as this app stays open. Of course, I just installed it on this store. So you see it looking over here, automatic, right? You see the red color scheme that I set up over here. We can go back into another product. I want to show you a little example here. So here's a product where we're going to see those units remaining, right? And if I show you in the back end over here, here is the cat tree product, and there are 7 available over here. So this is a different product. You're seeing that this automatically shows up. So we have the urgency, we have the scarcity, really coming up right over here in terms of how things are looking with our theme. I also wanted to show the widget pop up where we're going to see last bought. So I just did a sample transaction over here, and now you see we have the one shopper thinking about it. We have the units remaining, and now we have a last bought message over here as well. This is customizable as well. So another really, really cool feature in here showing even more urgency. So that was today's project, Urgency Stock, the Shopify app that I highly recommend for increasing conversion rate, increasing sales by adding a sense of urgency and scarcity on your store. You saw just how simple and easy it is to implement this. The link is directly below this video. I highly recommend it. Make sure you get Urgency Stock in your store. I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below. Otherwise, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back with more great Shopify videos soon. Thanks a lot.